In this video I'll show you a nice way to keep cables organized and any object really that you want to keep in one place. It's easy to use cable ties, zip ties. This is a cable tie with the hook and loop, Velcro, hook and loop, whatever it's called. And the idea is that this is made especially for cables. On one side there is the soft part and the other side is the hook, the catchy part, the hook and loop. And it has this hole in the middle there. You can actually make it tight like this. I use this for the microphones really well, even though it's hook and loop and it could make a bit of noise sometimes. Once it's tied down, it won't make any noises and it's really nice and solid. You can see I can tape a piece of tape to scissors. This is interesting. These cable ties usually they're made for computers to keep cables organized. So if you have a new computer, you might have gotten a few of these with it, and don't throw them away, keep them. These are the microphones set up on little wires. And if you keep them, you can use them to really keep everything in one place. Best thing is to use them for cables. When they're not used, keep them coiled so they don't get tangled. Yeah, this is how it's made. Even there is a place where you could make a hole in it. And yeah, it's not a big deal, but this can really make the difference between something that is really secured or no. And you could use tape, but this is removable. You can remove them, add them again, easy to detach and attach. I use them for this in a future video. I guess you will see it. There is the whole recording setup and everything attaches and detaches easily with these things. Thanks for watching. Bye.